Okay guys, for this project, you're gonna need obviously your cap, some cardstock, which I chose is pretty red, your embellishments of choice, which I think I'm gonna use these flowers which I got from Walmart, this cute little, what is it called, just like decorative diamond wrap. I also bought these letters at Walmart to go good with red, and also the silver letters that I got at Walmart, and your glue gun. What else? I got these flowers from the dollar store. I don't know if I'll use them yet, but we'll see. I might. And obviously some scissors. What I'm gonna do is take this. I'm going to measure around the paper. So you're going to take the paper and you're going to go ahead and align it as best as possible against your cap. You try to feel for where, just make sure that you have the paper evenly on, or the cardstock I should say. And what I'm going to do is just a little hole. I'm going to draw a little dot there so I know this is the center. Actually, you guys, I just figured out that you could take off the button. So, line this up again. Make sure. Okay, so you see how we poked the little hole? Okay, I went ahead and got my X-Acto knife to try. So you got that hole there. There. Oops. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the edges. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to now set it on my cap. You also want to make sure which one's the front. So this part is the front, the little scrunchy part's the back. And go ahead, put back your button. Now that this has been fully put on, I'm going to flip my cap over and just start trimming the extra edge. So before gluing everything down, you want to, I already cut a strip of this diamond wrap. So then what I'm going to do is measure it against another piece. Make sure you like it. You're also going to want to open up your letters. I want to do a quote that says, I did my best, he did the rest. Let's see if it fits there. So for this last part, I did all the three other sides with the little diamonds. It was redundant, so I didn't record it. So I'm gonna put a little dot over here of glue. Put this strip on there and hold it for a few seconds. I push it with the X-Acto knife because it's really hot. And this last little flap, go ahead and glue it. Put a little dot there. Dot. Push it down. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and rearranged my letters, and I like them like this. I even just found these little hearts that were in my drawer. I forgot I had them, and I'm gonna add them. This big one, this little one, and leave it like that. I was gonna do the flowers, but I decided not to. So. Okay, y'all, so this is the final results of how the letters turned out on my cap, and I absolutely love it.